How this is how we jive from our communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can insert or take out a SIM to your iPhone 16 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. Process is very simple. So you have to find SIM tray place. Here we go at the middle of iPhone Pro Max. You have here at the middle. So first we'll take out, we need SIM tool. This is SIM injector tool. So I'm taking my old iPhone here, iPhone 12, one of my phone. First thing first, you have to shut down your phone. Here slide down with the new version of iOS. Hit the hold this button or press, shut down your phone. Now go to the SIM place. Here we go. Press here with the SIM tool, a soft. It will come out as this. You have to take care as this, the SIM as this. Here we go. This side, no. This side. So you see as this. So this is the SIM, guys. I put the old phone here. Take the SIM. Here we go. Excellent job. So this is the mini SIM. So now go to your new phone, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Desert gold color. Use the same technique. Put the tool here. Put a soft pressure. It will come out. Take this off here as this. Okay, all the SIM has a particular pattern. You see here, you have some notch sort of thing, angle. Should be as this. It should sit exactly what it is. No other things. Take your phone, and normally, if you have the golden plate this side, so phone display should be as this way. So put inside. Now you see how it's going inside. Press the soft pressure. It's done. I'm hitting the power button here. Let's see. Apple logo appears. The phone is never, this one is, I never set up this one. This is the first time I inject the chip. You see I have 4G connection now with internet, no Wi-Fi. So this phone is ready to use. Now you have to set up this one. And after setup, you can use this phone. If you don't know how to set up your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, check my next video. I'm gonna show you that. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.